Sewing neat and professionally looking buttonhole on shirt or trouser has been a major problem for most tailors. In this video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this. We'll be making use of this tabletop machine, and these are the stitch. So we'll be using 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is to stitch the beginning. So you're going to stitch it like this. Then you rotate it to 4. 4 is to stitch it downward on the right hand side. And that's what I'm doing right here on the machine. Stitching it downward to the desired length, which is 0.75 inches. Then you rotate it to 1 and 3 again in order to stitch the bottom. Then you rotate it to 2. 2 is to sew the left hand side backward. So it's going to sew backward like this to the point where you started the sewing from. And after sewing, you are going to have this as the result. So you are going to cut it open.